In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a flight date on Wizz Air. If your plans have shifted and you need a new travel day, the Wizz Air Help Center is the fastest way to find the right path and make the change with confidence. Start by heading to the Wizz Air homepage. Once you're there, scroll all the way down to the footer and select Help Center. This takes you to a central hub where Wizz Air groups all support topics, including changes to existing bookings. On the Help Center page, choose Booking Modification. This section focuses specifically on updating an existing reservation. It's designed to help you understand what can be changed, any rules that apply, and how potential fees or fare differences are calculated. Next, click Flight Change. This narrows the information to the exact type of update you want to make, changing the details of your flight rather than, say, managing extras or payment information. You'll see guidance tailored to rescheduling your trip. From there, select date, time, and destination changes. Even if you're only changing the flight date, this page covers the key policies and the process you'll follow. It explains what's flexible, what might cost extra, and the timing requirements for making changes. Read through the notes carefully so you know what to expect before you proceed. Finally, look for the section titled How to Make Changes and follow the on-screen steps. The system will guide you through retrieving your booking, choosing a new date, and reviewing availability. You'll see any fare difference and, if applicable, a change fee before you commit. Take a moment on the summary screen to double check the passenger names, the new date and time, and any add-ons you plan to keep. If everything looks good, confirm to finalize the change. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Have your booking code and the passenger's last name ready so you can pull up your reservation quickly. If you booked extras like baggage or seat selection, review how they carry over with the new flight and re-add them if needed. Keep an eye on time zones and travel days, especially for early morning departures. If you have a flexible option on your booking, the fees shown may be reduced or waived. The site will reflect this automatically. After confirming, watch for the updated itinerary by email and save or download the new boarding pass when it becomes available. That's it. Follow these steps in the Help Center and you'll change your Wizz Air flight date with clarity and confidence.